service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delta, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wakefield around 10:40 a.m.
Wow.
Coryville around 10:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Christiana, Buck, Peach Bottom, Little Britain, and Susquehanna Trail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York.
We moved to the lowest floor.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for